Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start right away. Combine 1 cup sugar and 1/2 cup softened butter in a bowl and cream by hand with a sturdy spoon or whisk. Press, rub, and mash the butter into the sugar until pale and slightly fluffy. This traps air and creates tenderness. Once that texture appears, add 1 egg and 1 tsp vanilla and beat until smooth. You're doing the work a mixer would do. Take short breaks to reposition the bowl and keep an even rhythm. Once the wet mix is smooth, whisk together 2 cups flour, 1/2 tsp baking powder, and a pinch of salt separately, then fold into the bowl. Use a spatula and then your hands to incorporate. Stop when no dry streaks remain. Overworking makes cookies tough. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead only 6 to 8 turns so it holds together. Flatten to 1/2 inch, wrap in plastic, and chill for 30 to 45 minutes to firm. You're ready to finish. Roll chilled dough to 1/4 inch for crisp edges or 1/2 inch for chewier centers, then cut shapes and transfer to a parchment-lined sheet. Bake at 350 degrees F for 8 to 12 minutes until edges just set. Make sure to rotate the sheet once for even color. Cool on the sheet 5 minutes before moving to a rack so structure firms. If they spread too much, chill the dough and baking sheet, and use slightly less room temperature butter next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.